How's it going, everybody? I'm not an attorney. This is not legal advice. I'm making this video because I've been getting a lot of calls from different people from different states where the citation was civil in nature or was a civil matter. So I'm making this video properly titled, I would file a lawsuit if I got a ticket in a state where it is a civil matter. Now, the reason why is because officers are violating constitutional laws and rights guaranteed by the Constitution, state and federal, in any state really, that it's a civil matter, because the reason why is because an officer can only stop you or seize you under the Fourth Amendment. It describes that you have to they have to believe that you are committing, or have to have probable cause to believe you're committing, have committed, or about to commit a crime. So if you're even speeding 100, or the case, whatever the case may be, if you're speeding 1 mile over the limit and they stop you, that's not a crime, and the citation is proof. So I'd go straight and file a lawsuit. But the way I would battle this is, of course, by doing what's called a counterclaim. Since they want to play ball, then make them play ball. That's what I would do. Basically, it talks about how it's a violation of rights under violation of the motorist rights under the 4th, 5th, and 14th Amendments. Okay, and you can go do the research. It would fall under 42 U.S.C. 1983, and all these other different rights that are being violated. And of course, it would fall under the Racketeering of Loose and Corrupt Organization Act. A RICO count may be stated against the Commonwealth or state, whatever that state wants to be called, whatever the case may be. Nonetheless, this is what I would do. I am not telling anybody or advising anybody to do this. If you do it, it's because you want to do it, not because I'm doing it. But nonetheless, this is what I would do. That's why I call it this, because too many people are getting their rights violated without them even knowing it. And it's kind of sad to see that, just because you could watch Cops and you watch how in the show these cops do whatever they want in pretty much every state, they can tackle you down because you're walking away or whatever the case may be, when in fact they have no probable cause to have stopped you in the first instance. So that's what I would do. And this is it really doesn't make sense. I don't know how illogical this is, and yet people don't see it. I don't know why, but arrests for civil motor vehicle infractions are constitutionally deficient. Government should not be allowed to eat its cake and have it too, when the indulgence in arrest for civil matters is at the expense of the rights of motorists. When the governmental choice is to enforce traffic laws by civil means, the government must allow to motorists all rights which attend upon that choice. And it's not happening because people don't know their rights. So once again, this really falls back to you, me, anybody who chooses to pay something without even doing the research. And that's why they are doing what they are doing, not because they're crooks and criminals, but because if you're allowing them to do this, there's a saying that's probably for you: a sucker is born every minute. So nonetheless, hopefully this video helps you guys, and you guys can start doing some kind of research. It's real basic. I mean, a counterclaim can be done. I guess I'm gonna have to make a video on that. Right now, I have to leave. I'm going somewhere. So until then, I will make a video hopefully later on tonight, and we'll talk about counterclaims. So I believe I already made one though, but hopefully you guys do more research. And if you guys want to ever post a video response, do so with any kind of information you guys have found or have researched in any state that's a civil matter, of course, as to these infractions, because here in California it's a criminal matter. How, it's also ridiculous, but whatever. So you guys enjoy and have a good day.